In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down list in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll have a clean, controlled list of choices your team can use consistently across your sheet. First, go to Smartsheet and sign in so you're on the home page. From there, click Start a New Project, Program, or Process to open the Creation panel. You'll see a template gallery with role-based options, including categories like Company Management. Templates are great for speed, but to clearly show the drop-down setup, we'll start from scratch. Choose a new workspace starting point and select Table. This gives you a blank grid where we can add the drop-down column. Once your table opens, add a new column by clicking the plus sign at the far right of the header row. This opens the column settings. You may see a recommended section, and within it options like planning status, which are commonly used with drop-downs. For full control, choose drop-down list as the column type. Give your column a clear name so people know exactly what to choose, like status or priority. If helpful, add a brief column description to explain when each option should be used. This is great for keeping team inputs consistent. Now configure the selection rules. Turn on limit to one value per cell if you want a single definitive choice. If your process allows multiple selections, leave it off. Next, enable limit to list values only to prevent typos or ad hoc entries. This keeps reports and dashboards accurate. If your options are maintained in another sheet, use link to another sheet to reference that source so changes update automatically. Otherwise, enter values directly. In the drop-down list values area, type each choice, then click Add Value. Repeat for all the items you want available. A helpful tip: order your values in the sequence you want users to see them, such as not started, in progress, blocked, complete. You can always come back later to edit, reorder, or color code the choices for better visibility. When everything looks good, click Apply. Your new column is now live with a drop-down in each cell. Click into a row and select from the list to test it. If you need to adjust the rules or update values, open the column properties again and make the change. It will apply to the entire column. That's it. You created a sheet, added a new column, set it to drop-down list, defined clear options, and controlled how your team can select them. This small setup step goes a long way toward clean data, reliable reporting, and faster collaboration.